All right, so I was talking a little bit with my wife, and we were talking. So she and I agreed we should probably send it back, and she did all the paperwork, and it seems like Amazon's pretty good. We haven't. That's the first time I ever sent anything back from Amazon, but like I said, we're supposed to package it up. So I put it back in the bag that it wasn't in. Close the box up, and I guess we're supposed to drop it off to a UPS store. I guess like it is, not even have to tape it. Although the UPS store is supposed to package it up and send it back to I guess the seller or Amazon. And actually, they're sending me another knife right now. It's supposed to come in like on the 9th, and I don't even know what today's date is. Something, well, like a couple more days. So I mean, if that's, I can't be if they replace it. So I mean, that's cool. But yeah, I was thinking, if it was just that it was just stripped out and it was loose, it wouldn't have been that big of a deal. But it literally was outside the box. The plastic was just crinkled up in here like that, and the box was closed. And it's like someone definitely got in here, tampered with it. So, but like I said, we're gonna send this puppy back, and hopefully in a few days I'll have a brand new, well, another one that's not been tampered with, and do another review, a real true unboxing. Kind of spoil my unboxing when it's already unboxed. All right, so for right now, I got my big responder. That's why I bought this one, because I had no problem with this one. This big responder X9 is awesome. So I thought it'd be cool having the smaller one. So it sounds like I'll have the smaller one in a few more days. I'm going to send this one back, and I'll get a little update later. Bye.